देखिए, आपके चाहे जिस तरह के एग्ज़ाम हो या कंपटीशन के हों या किसी कौंसिल के हों या बोर्ड के हों या यूनिवर्सिटी के हों, किसी भी तरह के इंग्लिश के एग्ज़ाम में एप्लीकेशन अवश्य पूछे जाते हैं। किसी भी विभाग से एप्लीकेशन, किसी भी विभाग में एप्लीकेशन लिखने के लिए पूछे जा सकते हैं। तो इसलिए मैं अलग-अलग विभाग में किस तरह से एप्लीकेशन लिखे जाते हैं, इनका आइडिया देते हुए कंप्लीट एप्लीकेशन मैं लिख रहा हूँ। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपकी प्रत्येक एग्ज़ाम में इन एप्लीकेशन से मदद मिलेंगे और आप सफलतापूर्वक एग्ज़ाम देकर फारिग होंगे। चलिए मैं शुरू करता हूँ। पहला क्वेश्चन है, राइट एन एप्लीकेशन टू द hostel warden asking for permission go home for a week. Answer: to the hostel warden MS College Motihari, hostel number 2nd. Sir, most humbly, respectfully, I have to state that Eid festival will be celebrated on 2nd May. Sorry, repeating. Most humbly, respectfully, I have to state that Eid festival will be celebrated on 2nd May this year. We go to door, eat macaroni, and also invite guests to come to me. We arrange various fooding stuffs for guests. Our family celebrate all festival with whole members. I shall participate surely in festival. It will give me weeks stay. So I shall back on 9th May. I therefore requesting you to give me permission to be away from the hostel for a week. I shall leave the hostel tomorrow evening. For this I shall remain your obedient forever. Your obediently, Rakesh, 2nd year science. Room number 5, hostel number. Repeating, I am. Your obediently, Rakesh, 2nd year science. Room number 5, hostel number 2nd, roll number 18. Question 2nd. Write an application to the principal of your college requesting him for a free studentship. Answer: to the principal, BPS College, Kesaria, East Champaran, Bihar. Subject: for a free studentship. Sir, most humbly, respectfully. So, सब्जेक्ट आपका क्या है? सब्जेक्ट फॉर ए फ्री स्टूडेंटशिप. सर, मोस्ट हम्बली, रेस्पेक्टफुली, आई हैव टू स्टेट दैट आम ए पुअर स्टूडेंट इन योर कॉलेज. आम बोलते हैं आई एम को. आम ए पुअर स्टूडेंट इन योर कॉलेज. माई फादर इज ए लैंडलेस वर्कर. ही वर्क्स एट दी अदर्स फील्ड and gets so short income, you can say small income, that family hardly gets a square meal. Without financial help, I can't able for the education. I'm disciplined student. I'm disciplined student, and I had got more than 80% marks in my Bihar secondary school examination of 2018. Therefore, I am requesting you to grant my application for full free studentship. For this, I shall remain your obedient for whole life. Your obediently, R.A.K. 2nd year science, roll number 8, date 5/2 5222। जहाँ कहीं भी अगर डेट छूटा हो तो ये डेट देख लेंगे। Question third, write an application to the postmaster asking him to redirect your letters to your changed address. Answer, to the postmaster, Kesaria is Champaran. Subject for redirecting letters. Redirecting letter. Sir, most humbly, respectfully, I have to state that there has been change in my residential address this week. I have shifted my residence in Lala Chitra. Thus I have moved from your zone to another zone. This brought a problem to me. I'm expecting at the present time and in near future won't be addressed to my old residence. I therefore request you to do me a favor, kindly get my letters and other correspondences bearing my old address redirected to my present address. I shall forever be grateful. Your obedient BK, second year science, roll number obedient. Your obedient BK, second year science, roll 8, date 52022. Question 4. Write an application to your principal requesting him for financial assistance for purchasing books. Answer, to the principal, L&D College, Motihari. Subject for financial assistance for purchasing books. Sir, most humbly, respectfully, I have to state that I come from very poor family, having pitiable condition. My father's annual income is very few. I want to prepare my course strongly, but in the want of money, I can't buy all books, and also I spend my most of the time for earning some money as a tutor. If I get the financial assistance, I will spend my more and more time in my studies. I can get glorious record in my college. I therefore request you to grant my application for financial assistance to me. For this I shall forever be grateful. Yours obediently, K. Kumar, second year science, roll number 11. The 5th of February 2022. Question 5. Write an application to your principal for leave on the occasion of your sister marriage. Answer to the principal, MS College Motihari. Subject for leave. Sir, most humbly, respectfully, I have to beg that my eldest sister is getting married on the 28th of March 2022. I am main subject for managing all the things. Main subject for managing all things related to marriage. It can take at least 22 days. 22 days at 22 days. A large number of 22 days. A large number of marriage party is coming. A large number of marriage party is coming. So it needs very consciously managing in this. I am in the urgent. In this in the urgent need of leave for 22 days. 22 days. We can 22 days. To 22 days we can say from 6 to 30 March 2022. I may be on leave. You can say holiday. I therefore requesting you to grant my application necessarily. I therefore requesting you to grant my application necessary leave. Application. I therefore requesting you to grant my application necessarily. You can say necessary leave. Application for यहाँ होना चाहिए for necessary leave. I therefore requesting you to grant my application for necessary leave. For this I shall forever be grateful. Your obediently, Amjad Ali. Second year science. Roll number 5. The 10th of February 2022. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Write, comment if you have any problem. Thanks for watching my video.